Australian professional dancer Dianne Buswell, one of the most recognizable faces on Strictly Come Dancing, has once again captured the attention and affection of fans as she shares another uplifting chapter of her pregnancy journey. The beloved performer, who is expecting her first child with long-term partner Joe Sugg, has been offering frequent glimpses into her life as she prepares for motherhood, each update drawing waves of positivity, admiration, and heartfelt support. In the latest of these updates, Dianne took to Instagram to post a montage-style video showcasing moments of herself dancing while pregnant. The short clip, simple yet radiantly joyful, captures Dianne doing what she does best, moving with an unmistakable blend of grace, precision, and vibrant energy. The post was accompanied by the caption. What followed was an outpouring of warmth from fans across the globe. The comment section, which swiftly swelled with messages, reflected the emotional connection Dianne has cultivated with her supporters over the years. One follower wrote, "Full of energy, happy mom, happy baby, happy vibes all around." Another fan expressed heartfelt admiration, "You are the best. Always making me and everyone proud." Sparkling Heart, a third commenter, was equally enthusiastic, calling her an absolute icon for it. These comments were more than just online praise. They revealed the genuine affection people hold for Dianne, not only as a dancer, but as a personality who consistently radiates authenticity, kindness, and resilience. For Dianne, this pregnancy comes after an eventful run on Strictly Come Dancing. Last year, she celebrated one of the most meaningful victories of her career when she won the competition alongside comedian Chris McCausland, who made history as the show's first blind contestant. Their partnership, marked by trust, innovation, and pure heart, won over millions and added a defining chapter to Dianne's tenure on the show. This year, she returned to the ballroom floor partnered with Neighbours star Stephen Dennis, a pairing that initially drew excitement from both British and international audiences. But only a few weeks into the season, the news broke. Stephen had suffered a torn calf muscle and would be forced to withdraw from the competition. The announcement was met with disappointment, not only from fans but from Dianne herself. Stephen's injury was sudden, unfortunate, and, above all, genuine. Yet despite the clarity of the situation, pockets of social media speculation began circulating. Some users suggested that the exit had been planned in advance due to Dianne's pregnancy, insinuating that the pair had coordinated an early departure to prioritize her health. Such claims, though baseless, spread quickly, prompting Dianne to speak firmly and directly. Dianne later took to her Instagram stories to address the circulating rumors head-on. She shared a screenshot of one viewer's comment that read, "To be honest, I saw this coming." Dianne couldn't really continue, especially when she gets bigger. Bless her. She's a brilliant dancer and she is one of my favorites. Sorry to say, but I think this was planned to keep her and baby safe. Just my thoughts. But instead of letting the speculation slide, as many celebrities are often advised to, Dianne decided to draw a clear boundary. Her response was resolute. I sound like a broken record, but I am seeing a bit of this floating around again. I know people say ignore it, but actually, why should I? I will speak up, she continued, expressing not just frustration but genuine disappointment at the lack of respect shown toward her partner. I would love nothing more than to keep dancing this week, next week, the week after that, so on and so forth. In fact, I have more energy this year than I did this time last year. Please respect Stefan, who is extremely gutted to not be able to dance, and stop presuming this was a setup. Because believe me, we would if we could. The response served not only as a rebuttal but as a firm stand for truth, integrity, and loyalty, qualities Dianne has consistently demonstrated over her career. While pregnancy comes with its own challenges, she emphasized that exiting the competition was never her intention, and certainly not something she or Stefan would have orchestrated. In the aftermath of the issue, fans once again rallied behind Dianne, praising her honesty, compassion, and willingness to defend a partner who had worked hard but whose journey was unexpectedly cut short. Many admired her ability to balance vulnerability with strength, a quality that has only deepened their admiration for her as she navigates both a public career and the deeply personal experience of becoming a mother. The excitement around her pregnancy continues to grow, and with each update, Dianne's radiant positivity shines all the brighter. Whether she's dancing in the studio, sharing glimpses of her daily routines, or addressing misunderstandings with clarity and grace, she remains the same vibrant figure loved by millions. And as her due date approaches, one thing becomes increasingly clear: Dianne Buswell isn't just dancing through pregnancy. She's dancing through life with resilience, passion, and a community cheering her on every step of the way.